I just went to Walgreens. I want to share my haul with you because they got some deals going on there that you got to know about. First off, let's get into the garbage a little bit. Garbage bags. Guess how much this cost? Anybody? Bueller? $12 for this. For garbage bags? $12? Are you kidding me? But they're on sale right now for half price. Half price. I loaded up the truck because we got a lot of garbage. There's one thing there's never a shortage of. Garbage. All right, but let's get into the fun stuff now. Our old pals, M&M's. M&M's. These are the peanut M&M's. All right. This thing cost about $8. On sale, $1.99. $1.99. It's like, give me everything. That's a good price. Why is it so cheap? Oh, they're expired. No, I'm kidding. They're not expired. Let's just dive into one right now. Sneak one in. Right? Nobody's gonna know. Don't tell anybody. All right, so these are the different color ones too. Are there purple ones here? I thought I saw a purple one. I've never seen a purple M&M before. What's going on? There's no purple ones in here. Maybe that's why they're defective. Where are my purple M&Ms? There's blue and white. What the heck? What color is that? That's purple. Blue and white and red. Oh, okay. That's like July 4th. But why are they showing a purple dude here? Purple dude, where are you? That's a girl, by the way. It's a purple dudette. All right, so the big lie, the M&M big lie is exposed. There's no purple M&Ms in this one that has a purple M&M. I don't understand that. All right, let's try a blue one. Can't beat it. You cannot beat the peanut M&M. Now, I'm pretty sure there is absolutely no difference in the taste between the colors. The red, the white, and blue all taste the same. Just basically colored, sugar schmutz on there. But they are good. I'm not sure if they beat the peanut butter ones or the almond ones. Anyways, the price, can't beat that. All right, but here was the real deal today. Dubai like a punch in the eye. The whole Dubai thing is over, okay? These were half price. This was normally $100, but I got it for $2.50. No, I'm kidding. It was $5, right? But I got it for $2.50. All right, so at $2.50, okay, it's worth a shot. I'm not paying $5 for a candy bar. Sorry, not doing that. Anyway, let's just try it, see what the deal is. So this is Dubai style chocolate, milk chocolate with kataifi and almond. So it doesn't even have the pistachio. Maybe that's why it's on sale. All right, here we go. Got a little picture of some kind of leaf on there. All right. Oh, okay. By the way, I'm Sunny from Sunny Reviews. What do? See it, smell it, taste it, rate it. Smells good. It's good. It's not that crunchy kind of kataifi, but it's a little more creamy, but it's good. I like the chocolate too. Now they did have one next to this with the pistachio that was still $5, but this one, they're trying to move the inventory out. $2.50, it's worth it. All right, here was the star. I thought this was the deal of the day. Reese's marshmallow. Okay, $8 for this bag of Reese's marshmallow. Guess how much? Anybody? Come on, work with me, people. Oh, they're individually wrapped too. That's nice. All right, this costs, you ready for this? This whole package, normally $8, $1.99. Come on, that's a great deal. Those are the kind of deals that I can get excited about. Can't open it, but I can get excited about the deal. I got to get to these quickly, otherwise they melt, and once they melt, they're just no good. All right, so this is the one with the marshmallow inside. Here we go. Let's give it a try. Okay, that picture is making it look a lot better than it really is. It's like a little I don't know, ribbon of marshmallow at the bottom there. And it's showing a much thicker, you know, Reese's than this. It's showing a much thicker Reese's than this. But, hey, it is what it is, right? It's not creamy peanut butter. It's this kataifi style peanut butter. All right. Now I know why it's $1.99. It's not my favorite, to be honest with you. There's another brand of chocolate marshmallow cups. Mallow cups, I believe it's called. Those are much better. All right, let's try the Reese's with strawberry. Peanut butter and strawberry. Peanut butter and jelly, right? Come on, that's a great idea. Where have these been my entire life? Why didn't somebody years ago say, peanut butter and jelly? Of course, it goes perfectly with peanut butter. Here it is, the strawberry Reese's, also individually wrapped. Also $8 for this bag on sale at Walgreens for $1.99. $1.99. Okay, whether they're good or bad, the price is right. Right, Bob Barker? That's right. All right, here we go. Let's try the Reese's with strawberry. Here it is. It's better than the marshmallow. It gives a nice little zing to your normal everyday Reese's. But here's the problem. When I was a kid, there was a commercial that I'll never forget when I first heard about and learned about Reese's. It was a classic commercial where a guy's walking down the street holding a jar of peanut butter, like everybody does. And he's walking down the street, and a woman is walking down another street, and then they're coming to a corner. And she is eating like a Hershey bar. She's eating a chocolate bar. He's eating his peanut butter jar, like normal people do walking down the street. Anyway, so they come to a collision. His peanut butter and her chocolate bar, boom, they're together. They got smushed together, and now he's eating her chocolate and peanut butter. He says, you got chocolate in my peanut butter. And she says, you got peanut butter in my chocolate. And then it's like two great tastes that taste great together. I mean, I remember that commercial like it was yesterday. Anyway, the thing about that commercial that stood out to me more than anything else, other than that dude walking down the street with a jar of peanut butter that nobody does, was the fact that it was creamy peanut butter. This, not creamy peanut butter. Reese's, not creamy peanut butter. So I think that Reese's since then has changed their whole formulation, and instead of having a creamy peanut butter, they get this schmutz down here, which is a completely different experience. Anyway, also, by the way, I just want to set the record straight. What word is this? It's Reese's, right? It's not Reese-Ees. There are some people still in this day and age call this Reese-Ees. Think of it this way. It's not feces, it's not Reese-Ees. It's Reese's. Reese's peanut butter cup, not Reese's. Think of Geese's. Geese's and Reese's go together. Feces and Reese's do not go together. All right, that's one way I think about it. Reese's. All right, guys, I got to go. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think of all these. Don't forget, get to Walgreens right now. Give me your $1.99. You get all these kind of great deals. You're half price on your garbage cans, half price on the toilet paper, half price on the paper towels. It's a deal. It's a deal festival. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget, hit that follow button. We'll see you on the next Sunny Reviews. Hope you do have a sunny day. Later, Gator.
Subscribe for more fun reviews.